This is how you can use Perplexity in N8N to do amazing queries that go super in depth and give you the information you want. So today I'm going to show you how to create this workflow that uses the Google AI model or whatever AI model you want and Perplexity models. The idea is simple. The Google AI model is going to use the Perplexity tool to conduct a very good report for you given the chat request you've done. There are various use cases for this, but let's get started because there is a little bit of a setup that you want to do in order to make AI models use Perplexity as a tool. You can find this workflow on the link down below in the description. It's going to say Gumroad, it's going to look like that, and you don't have to pay anything. You get this completely for free. You put $0 here and click I want this. And you will get a JSON file that you can import using these three dots, import from file, and you're good to go. You're going to get this pretty much set up for you and you only have to pass your credentials. But before we get started, I just want to show you the result. So you can see here that the original model gets like this request, goes to Perplexity, uses it to search the web and do deep research, and then it conducts and creates a report for you that gives you this response. So let me show you how to make this available to you because you have to do some things. This is super new and let's get started. So first, click on this admin panel because you will have to update your N8N account. If you don't have an N8N account, I have the link for N8N down below. You can create an account, get the free trial and get started. So you open up the admin portal and you want to go into this button over here. Let me show you exactly which one. So it's this icon to open up the settings. You can see your current plan here and you want to upgrade your version to the latest stable. Save changes and your workflow, when you click the dashboard here, is going to restart. Wait for it to become online and then click to open the instance. It's that simple, guys, and it works super nicely. So open up the workflow again. You can see everything is pretty much cleared up. And then you want to get started by importing it with the three dots. If you don't want to download it for whatever reason, the only thing you have to do is to click to add a node, right click, add a node. You can write chat trigger, but we already have this over here. Then you want to add an AI agent, okay? So you add an AI agent, you click here chat model, you add Google Gemini, and you connect your Google account with this using the API key from AI Studio. You can also add ChatGPT or whatever you want. It doesn't have to be, Google AI Studio, but Google AI Studio gives you free requests for its Flash model and Flash Live preview. You get so many requests per day completely for free, so make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. So you connect your credentials here and then you want to click here that says tool, type Perplexity, and you're going to see this new addition, which is the Perplexity tool that interacts with the Perplexity API and gives you AI responses with citations, which is super powerful. Then you want to create a new credential with your Perplexity account and you want to get your API key. So Perplexity is not free to use. You will have to go into Perplexity and add some credits over here. So I've added $3. This is the minimum and you can do so many requests with just $3. I'm going to show you exactly how and which model to use. It's super cheap in all honesty. And you want to make sure that auto reload is off just so when your credits are finished, you will have to top them up manually. And then you go here that says API key. You create the API key and you add it over here by clicking create new credential, copy and paste it on the API key section. It's super simple. I'm just not going to, show you my API key. It just makes sense. So here you select the model. Pre-selected, you are going to find Sonar and you want to click this icon that will automatically define the text. It will take the text from the Google agent into the model and you're good to go. You can use loads of different tools from Perplexity like Deep Research, Sonar Pro, Reasoning. I use the simple Sonar just for showcase and not spend a lot of money. So this is the node. It's super simple. You can find it, as I've said, completely made up for you using just a Gumroad link. It's super safe, you pay nothing, and it just takes 1 second. So if you want to learn more about AI, I would highly suggest that you get my AI course. It has over 22 hours of tutorials for you, and I'm going to be publishing every single week new tutorials to teach you even more things. It only costs $20 one-time payment, hosted on Udemy. Really, this is the best offer in the market if you want to get started with AI. I've shown you how to code, how to generate images, videos, automations, how to do deep research, how to take the optimal responses from these kind of models. So if you want to learn more about AI, if you're a beginner, highly suggest it for you. And of course, you support me and my work on this channel. So this is the workflow. It's that simple. And you then go to the chat over here and you type. Of course, instead of a chat, you can have like an Excel or whatever other thing you want. So it's such a simple workflow to create. It takes no time, it's super easy, and it's super powerful, especially when you have the deep research from Perplexity. So this is pretty much it. You could also turn this chat mode into public. You get this webhook URL. So that's also powerful. Like you can get this and share it with other people. Okay, so this is a workflow. It's that simple. Of course, you may want to skip this mode, this AI agent mode, and you can go ahead and just type Perplexity here and use the Perplexity chat instantly by messaging the model you want. There is also this option, but having two models collaborate with each other and use Perplexity as a tool gives you even more capabilities that should probably super enhance you. So this is it. It's that simple in all honesty. Not super complicated. I want to keep this tutorial short because I have seen people make these tutorials for Perplexity and they talk about 10 minutes, 20 minutes. No, 6-minute tutorial just for you. Subscribe for more AI videos and I will see you on the next one. Bye.